things had been going so well for South Korea. Samsung phones a world beater with consumers, a pop star whose singles swept the globe. But now Asia's fourth largest economy is under siege. North Korea's saber-rattling and massive stimulus by export competitor Japan threatens its star industrial status. South Korea's stock market tapping 4-month lows. In U.S. dollar percentage terms, the worst performing Asian market so far this year. Foreign investors selling out of equities and moving back into Japan.
We have an underweight on South Korea currently. We are going to assess exactly what's going to be the impact of this weak yen. The North Korea situation is also an issue.
With top brands like Samsung, South Korea has been a dazzling export success, dwarfing troubled Japanese rivals such as Sony. But with the yen poised to weaken below 100 to the dollar, Japanese exporters may gain a cost advantage and fresh momentum. Asia Development Bank's chief economist, also an advisor to South Korea's government, is concerned.
If Japanese yen really weakens, then I think Korea may lose some of the export market in car industries, in semiconductor, steel industry. That will have negatively impact the profit of those large corporations. That may have a spillover effect to Korean domestic demand on the other end. So that definitely is a risk factor.
And then there's a barrage of threats from the north. South Korea's markets had become largely immune to the constant war rhetoric. But the North's new young leader has added to fears that this time could be different. Both politically and economically, South Korea finds itself in an uncomfortable position. With the central bank meeting on rates this week, its reaction to Japan's wall of money will be closely watched.